Welcome to AI Racer, Turbo Challenge. This 2D racing game puts you in control of a car that's speeding through an obstacle-filled course. Use the arrow keys to navigate, left and right to steer, up to accelerate, and down to decelerate. But it's not just about avoiding obstacles. The AI assistant will provide helpful hints like move left or move right when you collide with obstacles, guiding you to avoid further crashes. As you race, bombs appear, and collecting them gives you extra points. But beware, hitting obstacles deducts points from your score. The obstacles not only randomly appear, they move towards your car, adapting to your position, making the challenge even tougher. With each level, the speed increases, and the game becomes even more intense. Can you dodge the obstacles, collect the bombs, and achieve the highest score? Let's find out in AI Racer, Turbo Challenge.